Welcome to our virtual work at home channel. Today, we will be discussing the opportunity with Lower Street Media. And Lower Street Media is hiring for a virtual event coordinator. Lower Street Media is a podcasting company that works with agencies, consultants, and enterprise companies to make amazing shows that matter, that make an impact. And what they are seeking for their virtual event coordinator is for someone to join their team part time on a freelance basis, and you will play a pivotal part in your role as in planning and execution of podcasting summits scheduled for the end of January 2024. This is a 4-month contract position starting in October and running through January. If you love podcasting and events, this could be the position for you. The things that you'll be responsible for is reaching out to speakers and guests for their pre recorded content, ensuring they are well prepared and aligned with the event goals. You will pitch and secure a diverse roster of speakers and presenters, coordinators, their participation in the event. You will set up and manage the virtual event platform to ensure a seamless experience for attendees. You will collaborate with external suppliers and partners to coordinate logistics and technical requirements. You will oversee the distribution of promotional emails to partner lists, ensuring effective communication and engagement. You will also be responsible for working closely with the head of marketing and CEO to organize and execute all aspects of the virtual event, ensuring it runs smoothly and meets its objectives. Now, what they're exactly looking for, they're looking for a junior to medium experience event coordinator with the following qualities. You must be a podcast fan, love of virtual events, and the ability to create engaging and memorable experience for attendees. You must be proactive and detail oriented, self-starter who can proactively manage tasks, meet deadlines, and pay meticulous attention to detail. You must be an effective communicator with exceptional communication skills, both written and verbal, to engage with speakers, partners, and attendees. You should be tech savvy, comfortable with virtual event platforms and digital tools, able to troubleshoot technical issues. And you should be a team player, collaborative, and able to work effectively with cross functional teams, including marketing and leadership. Who would qualify for the position? A person with at least 1 year of experience in virtual event coordination or related roles, a portfolio or examples of past virtual events you have coordinated or contributed to. You must have strong project management skills and the ability to multitask in a dynamic environment. You must be familiar with email marketing platforms and CRM systems. You must be available to work 3 day per week commitment from October to January. And you must have an enthusiastic and positive attitude ready to take on challenges and drive success. They say you can work from anywhere, your house, in the country, a coffee shop, in the city, or a forest. They don't mind as long as you have strong enough Wi-Fi. And that's an awesome perk because most work at home jobs require you to have a hardwired computer to your router. So being able to work off of Wi-Fi is awesome. Um, this is a truly great work culture. They're young but small, an established company, and can make a real impact. But they're not in the business of micromanagement. So you won't have to worry about anybody constantly breathing down your back, telling you, hey, do this, do that, or just annoying you for no reason because they're having a bad day. They have flexible hours, which is another excellent perk outside of ideally having some working overlap with UK working hours. They have a globally distributed team. So that's why we saw London and Greater London. Okay. So it makes more sense, but they still hiring people within the US. Since they didn't mention any pay within the job description, decided to research Glassdoor to find out exactly what range that the virtual event coordinator position pays with Lower Street Media. And according to Glassdoor, the total pay range is between 42K to 59K. So that's a pretty decent salary for a short period of time. But you never know. These jobs may end up picking you back up for another temporary position or just keeping you on permanently, depending on how impressed they are with your skills. So, if this position is a great fit for you, I would definitely apply. You can apply for this position online at tmacvipservice.com under the Virtual Opportunities tab. Our next work at home opportunity we will be discussing today is with Anthology. And Anthology is seeking customer service advisors. And Anthology offers the largest ed tech ecosystem on a global scale, supporting over 150 million users in 80 countries. Their mission is to provide dynamic, data informed experiences to the global education community so that learners and educators can achieve their goals. For this position, you will be responsible for demonstrating empathy, patience, and soft skills during phone calls, managing and resolving identified client issues for assigned customer accounts, documenting information into web-based ticketing system, searching and navigating knowledge base, and integrated customer information systems to identify appropriate resolution for client issues. You'll be escalating unique issues or inaccurate information contained in knowledge base to the immediate supervisor for resolution. You will be projecting favorable image of the company to promote its objectives and goals that enhance client relationships. You will be following specified call flow to maximize effectiveness and efficiency. You'll be adapting to a dynamic call center environment with variance in daily break times. You will be working in adherence to assigned shifts, which could include weekends and holidays. You will be participating in internal training programs to expand knowledge and support multiple clients. You will be providing delightful, efficient, and accurate resolution to customers' inquiries. And you will be handling multiple job tasks at one time and escalating issues in a timely manner. The qualifications they are looking for this position will be high school diploma or equivalent combination of education and experience, must be at least 18 years or older. You must have a stable history of employment. You must have a quiet, distraction free work environment without any conflicting responsibilities during your work schedule shift. You must have experience in using internet based browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari. You must have strong computer knowledge, including the ability to accurately type at least 25 words per minute. Ability to take inbound voice phone calls in conversation heavy environment. Excellent oral and written communication skills. You must be proficient in Microsoft Office computer applications, including Word and Excel, and a willingness to learn new technology systems. Experience using a laptop or desktop computer, including multiple applications, Windows, and monitors. You must be familiar with education related technologies. Excellent critical thinking and problem solving skills. You must be analytical orientation with strong attention to details. full professional proficiency in written and spoken English, willing to accept a temporary assignment, and you must reside within an approved state and must be able to work from home with the following internet requirements. You must have high speed internet connection, cable, fiber, DSL, 20 megabits download, 10 megabits upload, 100 ms ping or less, jitter 40 ms or less, hardwire connection, wired connection from the modem router to the device, no splits, gaps, or usage of Wi Fi bridges. Your preferred skills will be some level of college completed, one or more years of customer service or contact center experience, previous experience in the education industry or e learning technologies. The pay rate is $12 an hour. They use national and industrial specific survey data to assist in determining compensation. Additionally, they consider factors such as external market rate, budget for the role, and the compensation rate of current employees performing the same function. Some roles will have variable pay. This job description is not designed to contain a comprehensive listing of activities, duties, or responsibilities that are required. Nothing in this job description restricts management rights to assign or reassign duties and responsibilities at any time. And these are the states that they are hiring in for this position and with Anthology. So you must be residing in one of these states to apply for the position. And if you feel like this position is a great fit for you, just click on apply. And once again, you will be able to find the link to apply for this position on the TMACVIPservice.com website under virtual opportunities. So this completes another successful work at home video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and happy job hunting.